To create a to-do from a file that you've already made, head to the Work tab to view your files. You should then select the file you're wanting to set the to-do for and click on the Set To-Do button. You'll then want to add a description to your to-do, and you'll want to select the classes you want to set the work for. You can add more than one class to a to-do. You'll then see that a task has already been chosen for you. If you need to add any supporting documents, click the purple Add button. You'll then need to set a set date and a set time. You can choose a set time from the drop-down menu, and you can also type in a specific time you want the to-do to start. You can choose when the to-do is visible. It can be all the time, in school hours or out of school hours. You can also choose whether or not the to-do repeats. You should then add any tags to your to-do and any objectives. You should select the year group, then the subject, and then the strand from that subject. Once you've done this, you can tick as many objectives as you like. If you need to edit any of the steps, click on the blue pencil icon, and that takes you back to that step to change any changes. You can also select the numbers along the top of the page to go back to a specific step. Once you're happy, click on the Set To Do button. To view your to-do, head to the To-Dos tab, and you'll see that it's there under the Active To-Dos. This has been a video on how to set to-dos from files. If you have any questions or need any support, please contact support@twosimple.com.